How to repost on TikTok not working. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix your repost option in your TikTok app. So having said that, let's go for fix number 1. So make sure your app is updated. Go in Play Store and check the TikTok app. Make sure it is updated. So the fix number 2 is you have to go in your apps info of your TikTok and make sure all the permission of your TikTok app is allowed. If not, it will not work on your TikTok app. So let's go and check the repost button again. Setting and privacy. So this is how you can fix the repost option in your TikTok app.